Kajingyo ye ki vote ha ke election cheating samoy ha gambi gre kalalong ke basong shit bha nadu kapor min step harengkat kajing sakhi jong ki ba ki bawan ban kershan la ki jong ki kertong. Hakini ke election ke badon hadu nriungut ki kertong jong ke NPP ke metap chandi sangma kelayo ban kursuk ya ke jingjok da ke bayo hadu khatar hajar henriu spa nyo pra votes bat tam hadu saw hajar sanspa khandai pusa vote ya ke kertong jong ke Trinamool Congress ke bawan baar da ki pra hajar pra pusa vote. Ka Dr. Mehtap ka Badairu ka Kurim jong Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ke Sangma minta kan yo ban mi khmat ya ka Gambe gre ha ka jaka jong MLA Barim ka Congress usaling Sangma ubala Syajid ban mi khmat ya ka Tura Parliamentary Constituency kum UMP. Ukertong ke Kongres Pan ujingjang marak ulawan ha ke kerdan ke balai bat yo nyaw hajar nrius pak nai pesan vote kat ba ukertong ke BJP ubernat marak uyo nyaw spak shipho vote. Kiladan ru arngut ki kertong shimet ki belayo hapo praspa vote.
Working president working president hi group photo nama hai
Congratulations are my message ko nas kana Gambigiri voters na constituency people na nami dal result ni sabo
result ko nakirin longen nama aro yan ang niche ni uza dimba mandirang niche ni ha aro mandirang development ko chip pula ha sensia yan nambat pa Gambigiri area ni mandirang niche ni ha igman sama na dapat kami ko taatun again aro talo ang baksa chief minister donga minister ang donga kung gumak ni support ko man ni sina Gambigiri na dumtangan ko ra kana magchungod kanya
normally you're a doctor na doctor aro anchini mangar samay anjing politics na apchoke mande bangwe dakle normally technical line highest tappa line ngore rirong candidate and contestant tang donglungja you're one among very few who's a doctor who's contested he's been elected tappa do you think nangin connect more of such technical line ani expert round tappa nakna nga politics ho
napna nga aro technical line ni sino unja generally man napna nga gamutin napna nga dimba dalo angni tentang napani de anga saksa kichi konge saksa housewife konge noko homemaker konge sigabana dakcha ko konge dalo opportunity ko mana ha digi ongen chim bang background dong pore ni mo so warang ko gumko chanchi de angniya dalo rimkhangani chi gupun me chkrang ba encourage rokna nga aro politics of dongen me chkrang ni participation niya warang ko chane de gupun me chkrang na ba angni dalo ya chagatani chi encouragement rokna nang changka
my era the constitution
closely contested
development chiche mandirang ko ba sien ko nangnekin dalo NPP party na punaha chingli leadership ko niyan punaha party ko ni punaha aro ya gamakan isang bintangani ko rabana aro development ko rabana punaha.
Ma'am, can we have a message
one in English the people of Gambigiri to people of Garhwal and the people of Meghalaya you have been elected for the first time.
Well, I think the message is clear, loud and clear, that people have voted for change today. People have voted for development, and this is what we as a party, the leadership encourages, and this is what we have been promoting, and I think the message is clear. So I'm happy that people have come to our party today, and we have seen that previously we could never win this seat, but the people of Gambigiri have voted for change. And I think the whole Garo Hills and Meghalaya is experiencing that right now with NPP at the government, and we will do more and do our best to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
So the call for development has been accepted by the people. Miss will catch.
I think it's
So the call for development has been accepted by the people of Gambhigri. So how it feels today that your wife has been elected as MLA from that area?
Of course, we are very happy as a party and would like to thank the people of Gambhigri for their support in this by-election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Gambhigri that we will do everything in our capacity to make sure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges, but we will do our best to serve the people of Gambhigri. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all the leaders, party workers, MLAs, MDCs who have worked very hard to support the candidature of Dr. Mehtab Chand Sangma in this past by-election.